friends, this is the section 2, and in this section we'll talk about India's extent and its impact. When I say India's extent, I'm talking about the latitude and longitude. Okay, have a look at latitude and longitude. These are the latitude and longitude. This is the 5 degrees at 5 degree difference. This is 1 degree difference. So you can even go less than 1 degree. You can go to the minutes, you can go to the seconds. So what is the extent within this network of line of latitude and longitude? What is the eastern, western, eastern, northern and southern limit of India? So have a look. You will see, you will find the 6 points. Why 6 points are given here? The point should be 4. The reason is the west and east is okay, no problem, but there are two points in the southern and northern. The reason is that, okay, come. Yes, you know, this is the southern point of the mainland area, okay, mainland area, and this is the southernmost of including the island, which is the Andaman Nicobar Island. So the mainland southernmost point is here, 8 degree 4 minute 28 second north, but the southernmost, which is located in the Greater Nicobar Island, known as Indra Point, that is 6 degree 45 minutes, remember, okay? So this is the difference here. Similarly, in the northern part, you can have a look that there are 2, and the reason of 2 is because you can see these lines, and these lines are because of the illegal occupation of Pakistan and China. So this area is occupied by Pakistan. So the northern limit in the actual northern limit of India is 37 degrees 17 minutes 53 seconds. Okay, but where the control of India is, that is the Siachen Glacier northern point, which is known as Indra Col, and here this is 35 degree 39 minutes 52 seconds. This is the reason these 2, but in the books and actual you have to mention that this is the northern limit of India, that is 37 degree 17 minutes. Okay, here this is the Afghanistan border here, which is in Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Okay, we are talking about the Indian extent. So western part is 68 degrees 7 minute 33 degree second east, and eastern limit is this, which is in Arunachal Pradesh. So this is about the extreme points of India, and now we were talking about these points, latitude and longitude. Have a look at this. This is 10 degree, this is 5 degree, this is 1 degree. What is the impact of these lines? This is the point. The impact is, if you look at the shape of this planet, is not flat, but it is the shape of the earth is like this. Okay, earth has its own shape, and the thing is that the few prominent lines are very important to understand before I talk the impact of latitude and longitude. These are the important lines. This is equator, this is tropical line, Tropic of Cancer, this is Tropic of Capricorn. Why these lines are important? You look at the shape of the earth. Between these lines, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, Sun remains here only, okay? Sun does not move north of Tropic of Cancer and south of Tropic of Cancer. Sorry, Capricorn. It remains here, okay? The 12 months, if you divide into these four phases, because two phases here, two phases here. Why two phases? Suppose if sun starts from here, 3 months up, 3 months down. Sorry, 3 months up, 3 months down, then 3 months down, then 3 months up. So 3 times 4 is 12. Okay. Sun, suppose December is here, March is here, June is here, then September is here, then December is here. So this is known as tropical area. This is known as tropical area. And the tropical area is winterless. There is no winter. Okay. There may be another reasons. Maybe there are some highland areas where in the highland, because of altitude, temperature will decrease. But in general, the tropical regions, we do not see the winter season. Okay, here. But in the north of Tropic of Cancer, we face the winter season here. Which time winter seasons are there? When the sun is extreme down, that is around December. When the sun is here, the sunlight reaches very less here, slanty, because sun is direct here. So the the sun rays will be slanty here, less effective. Then this is the reason why here winter season will be there, and once the sun will be here, will stay for some time, because here it will come here, then it will move from up to down, then a little stay here, then that stay is very dangerous there, and that's why the temperature is hot, wind is hot. So all these things we will learn in climate part in detail, but here I want to explain that why this Tropic of Cancer is so important. Okay, because of its importance, there are many questions asked in many exams, that in which states, from which state Tropic of Cancer passes. So let's have a look at the states. I will explain you many more things which you will not find in the books also. Okay, so you please stay with me, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please do it. Yes, these are the states. Okay, this is the Tropic of Cancer is passing through. But another important question, in many of the exams, I have seen this question. Okay, which city or which place is nearer to Tropic of Cancer? They give many cities. So if you have to look at the different maps like this, maybe. Okay, so there will be some cities of which you can see which is closer. So look at this. If the question is which city is closer to Tropic of Cancer, the option is Jabalpur and Jamshedpur. So the answer is Jabalpur is closer to Tropic of Cancer. Similarly, there was a question in UPSC that which is located the northern side. Is it Bangalore or Chennai? So you can have a look and you can see that Bangalore is 12°58' and Chennai is 13 something. So Chennai is little north to Bangalore. So such type of questions are asked, and which are related to the location. Okay, and please believe me, this chapter 1, you have to not only memorize the words, you have to understand the idea of the extent and locations and north and south and east and west. Okay, so so this idea will make your strong background for another chapters. And one question I am remembering ask that Sikkim is parallel to which state? Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, or Rajasthan? So it looks like that the Sikkim may be closer to, I mean, parallel to Himachal Pradesh, but no, this is parallel to the Rajasthan. Okay, parallel to Rajasthan. So you have to prepare yourself from this angle, and you have to look at the globe, you have to look at the atlas, and you have to understand that a person living in Ahmedabad will having a hot temperature. Okay, why? Because sun reaches here, stay here, then moves down. Okay, similarly Jabalpur, Bhopal, hot areas. Okay, now let's move to the longitude parts. Okay, longitude. So it's clear that the latitudes explain the climate. Okay, latitude is an important factor of the climate. What about the longitude? What longitude do? The longitude east and west, and when I say east and west, longitudes are east and west direction. And when I say east and west, recall something: east. Sun rises from the east, and when the sun rises from the east and sunset towards west, this is the relation with longitude. Here the time is important, the time. So sun rises in the east, sunrise will be early, I mean sunrise will be earlier in Arunachal Pradesh than Gujarat. So if you will see, there are around 360 degrees of longitudes and 24 hours. When you will divide 360 by 24, you will find that 15-degree longitude is equal to 1 hour. There are 30-degree longitude, so there will be a gap of 2 hours. Okay, so the sun will rise 2 hours early than Gujarat. So the moment when the sun will rise here, the moment when the sun will rise here it will be dark. It will be dark. Okay, but the time will be the same. The time will be. You please try to understand. Do not be confused. Okay, suppose here the sunrise is maybe okay. So to explain this, let me show you one thing: the time zones here. These are the time zones, because we cannot make different times at different places within a country, because there will be a confusion. The trains are moving, we have to follow a single time. So to follow a single time, each country has made its standard line from which it calculates its time, and the same time will be followed within a country. So sun is rising from east. Okay, and as we know that mean line is here, Greenwich line is here. So still here it is night, but sun is rising here before. How much time before? 5.5 hours. 5.5 hours before. So the line which is being taken to calculate the Indian Standard Time is passing from here around Mirzapur, that is IST line. So the time difference from the Greenwich mean time will be 5.5. You can calculate by 82.5 divided by 15. Yes. So it will be around 5 hours 30 minutes difference. So as you will move towards west, the countries are having different time zones. Like this is here. Okay, okay. This is 4 hours difference. Here will be, I think, 5 hours difference. So here sun has risen before. That is why these countries are behind, okay, of the time. So the impact of longitude and latitude, I think, is clear to you. You can read more from the books. I hope you understood. And then we will move towards section 3. Thank you so much. Thank you.